Alam niyo yung ano, yung Multo by Cup of Joe? Yung kanta, kasi dun sa kanta, it's like the memory of minumulto siya nung past niya, which is yung ex-relationship niya. Di ba? Yun yun. My own version of multo is not a person. It's the memory and dream noong bata pa ako. So, if you watch one of my podcasts na nabanggit ko dun yung pangarap ko nung bata pa ako, and sabi ko dun, gusto ko at the age of 25, dapat achieve ko na yung mga bagay na yun. I always think about, or I always think na kung sumang-ayon sa akin yung panahon, pagkakataon, or yung mga bagay-bagay, nandun na kaya ako ngayon? Pediatrician na ba ako ngayon? May mga business na kaya ako? Bahay, lupa, negosyo, tsaka mga anak. Ganun. That motto is when I am telling my dad all my dreams while nagbubunot ako ng white hair niya kapag katapos kumain ng pananghalian. It's the nostalgic feeling na once in my life, ganun, I am an innocent kid who dreamed to be a doctor, a businesswoman, and have a happy family. Na sa ngayon, none of this happened yet. Wala pa nangyayari. Ikaw, what is your motto? Is it a person you still think about, a memory you can't let go of, or a dream you had but faded away? Does your motto bring you pain, peace, or both?